Hey fam, it's your boy Pop Pop. It's 12:45 in the morning. The dogs all over the neighborhood are howling. They're howling that lone wolf kind of howl. You know, where they throw their head back and really let it all out. That ow, woo, all over the neighborhood. So that's what I woke up to this morning. So it's creepy. You can hear them for blocks away, close, all of them howling their little brains out. So they know something. They know something that we don't know. So it's going to be interesting, unfortunately.